Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So in today's video I have a new launch from a&aglitter. I want to say Friday, was it Friday? They launched their new acrylics. So I went onto the website and I'm really bad at choosing things, so I opted for the starter kit. So in my box we have some acrylics, we've got some liquids and a pot of glitter. Now I think this was 30 quid. Not quite sure, can't remember. But anyway, I'm going to do swatches because I am dead excited. So I opted for the violet monomer. Now they do a hem free, but I just got the violet. This is without primer. Oh, blind. 100ml. Love their packaging, it's cute. I also got a dehydrator nail prep, which is 14 ml. I don't know why I just smelled that. And then the primer, acid free. Now, can anybody tell me, because I use the Nails Ultra Bond Acid Primer. So what is the difference between acid primer and acid free? Obviously that's acid free and this contains acid, but I mean, like, what would you, because I use this with acrylic and obviously I've got this for the acrylic, so I don't understand acid free, acid primer, I don't know. So if any of you know, please let me know. Be very grateful. That is 15ml, by the way. Then in here, I think we got five core powder. I can't remember. 5 core powders and 2 colour, and then a glitter. So sorry, I should have done this beforehand. Okay, let me move those. Right, let's just go with the glitter. We've got Bubblegum Fairy, which is a special mix. Now, because I know this has a clear acrylic, I will use the clear acrylic with this. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. It's so pretty. So yeah, I'm going to swatch that. Right. We have a dash of pink, which is a core powder. It doesn't say on here what size it is. Does anybody find the smell of acrylic nice? My daughter hates it, but I'm talking like from the pot. It has like a sweet smell. Maybe I've just been using it for too long. I don't know. But yes, a dash of pink, which is a core powder. Then we have Crystalline. Yeah, Crystalline, which is a coral powder. We have Snow White, which is a coral powder. Tan Me Up. Guessing this will be a nude. And they're like full, which I like to see. I don't know how many mils it is. Peach Babes. Love that name. And then these are the colours. We've got Rosebud. Do Love Me Pink. Oh, look at that. Okay, what I'm seeing on camera and what I'm seeing in person is more darker. Hopefully you'll be able to see with the swatches. And then we have Posh Pink. Just looks like that. Oh gosh. Okay, so I've got me little damping dish here to the side. I've also got some swatch sticks that I wrote the names on. Oh, I love that it's got one of these whatchamacallits, I don't know, because the one that I have from Nao is a big opening, so that is a plus. I'm not going to need that much. Just smells like regular monomer. Okay, that is the crystalline, that's the white. Ooh. Pink, the colour. Right, I'm going to do it in that order. I'll do the glittery one last. Okay, so, oh god, I've got a friend here. Alright, so we have Snow White. Let's see. If I seem as if I'm rushing, because I am really, I've got to be out of here in 15 minutes. Looks nice and white, came off the brush lovely. I'm just faffing. That is beautiful white. This brush, drinks the liquid. So I am going to change my brush. Just look. Put the lids back on these. So, oh god. So this is the Snow White. Really, really white. Beautiful. Then a dash of pink, which is core. I mean, I could have swatched that a bit better, but very, very pretty pink. Then we have Peach Babe. I love this one. Beautiful nude. Feel the heat on that. I really like that one. They're still dry and I can feel them hot. Tan Me Up. Another beautiful nude. This one's still wet, which is Posh Pink. Very pretty. This was Rosebud. Gorgeous. And then this one is still obviously drying. But look at that glitter. So pretty. I love. Let me bring it down a bit. How pretty. Really, really love them. Right, I'm going to go. I will leave the link to a&aglitter down below. I mean, you all know who they are already. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to take good care of yourselves and you'll see me in my next video.